Hey kids! Welcome to Sweet Daisy Yoga. Ready for fun yoga? Let's boost energy. Let's go! Mountain pose. Tadasana. Stand tall. Take a deep breath. Great! Deep breath ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Chair pose. Utkatasana. Sit low, strong legs. Strong legs. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch your body. Nice stretch. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hold it. Great job. Cobra pose. Bhujangasana. Lift your chest. Look up. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Warrior 1. Virabhadrasana 1. Hands up, reach high. Reach high, you're strong. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Strong hero, arms wide. Brave hero, perfect. 3, 2, 1, 0. Triangle pose. Trikonasana. Stretch your side. Big stretch. Feel it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Bridge pose. Siddha Bandhasana. Lift your hips up. Lift up. Amazing. 3, 2, 1, 0. Boat pose. Navasana. Balance strong. Balance strong. Don't foul. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Relaxation. Savasana. Close your eyes, relax. Great job today. Feel your body relaxed and full of energy. Take a deep breath in and out. Keep practicing every day for a healthy body. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe for more fun yoga videos. See you in the next video. 3, 2, 1, 0.